Perfect.
Lily is coming. Leaky sucks. I need my mom. I miss my mom. She was my recorder, videographer. Leaky is junk. He's useless. Look at him. So this morning, this is an update because I didn't record at all, but so let's hide that. I keep hitting my IV arm. So Leaky, what time do you wake up for work? What time do you wake up for work?
5:30.
So around like 5:30, I started having pain. It was when Leaky was getting ready for work. And then I didn't know if it was real or not, so I just literally laid there. And then I let him leave to work. I didn't tell him anything. And then so he was in the our main bathroom, and then I got up and then I went to go use our bathroom in our room. And then I realized like I started to get a little wetness down there. This is really TMI, but you know, whatever. This is a delivery vlog. And then I ended up just not saying anything, and then I went back to bed, and then he left. And then around like 6:10ish, I started, my contractions were getting closer, and then I started like crying. Like that's how bad my contractions were. So, like I just wanted to cry. And then I called him, and then I was like something like, not to scare you, but just in case, today might be the day. And then maybe for like what, an hour, maybe like an hour later, I decided that he needed to come home because I was in pain. And then he came home. We had to wait for my dad. And then the whole time at home, I kept having like little gushes of water down there. Like I knew it wasn't pee, so I kept going to the bathroom. And then I just kept having like light gushes. Like I kept getting like soaked down there. That sounds gross, I know. So then in the car, so fast forward, Licky wanted to stop to go eat somewhere. I was like, heck no, because I didn't want to be stuck in traffic. So we ended up just coming straight here. And then I kept having gushes in the car, and then when I got here I kept having gush, so my water broke. So it's like it broke a little because little gushes were coming out. Like that never happened to me before. My water never did break. They always broke my water. So when we get here, they check me. I'm 2.5 centimeters, not even that far from when I got checked last time. And then they tested it to say that my water did break, and they said it was very mucusy. And then fast forward, Licky comes in with a bag full of food, but he did get me something. He got me a tuna sandwich, but I told him that I can't eat. So he basically ate all the food and musubis, and he had an old sandwich and drinks.
You don't have to see that.
And chips. I have to keep it real.
You don't need to update up on my life, bro.
He freaking filled up the room with smelling like food, and we were in triage, okay? And then now we're in our room. And he just ate again. He just finished eating some musubis and chips. I got my epidural because these are the worst contractions I've ever felt out of these 3 labors. It was sore. Like I started to cry, and then I was like, you know what? Just give me an epidural. Give me the epidural. And then got my catheter in. I hate having an IV in my arm. Like it's just sore. It's numb. I hate it. Talked to my mom. Missed her. She would be recording me right now because Licky sucks. So I don't even know how much is going to be recorded and what's going to be recorded because Licky's not going to do nothing. And this time around, I just want him to be in the room. I don't want nobody else in the room. Oh, and my dad has the girls. My dad left work. He picked them up from our house, and then he took them to his house. So I don't know what they're doing now. Why is the lighting going dark? Erze called us once, but when she called, I was having contractions, so I didn't talk to her. But I should probably call her, see what she's doing. But yeah, that is update. It is currently 1:09. We got here about, what time did we get here? We got here around 9 o'clock, I believe. If not, I'll put a time here. But now it's 1:09, and yeah, it's Wednesday, February 26th. So we're gonna have Lily today. I'm gonna have her today. And yeah, I think that's the update for now because I don't know what else to say, or if I can think of anything else. But yeah. Licky, are you gonna vlog anything? Why? Very lame. Ooh, I'll insert, if Licky doesn't vlog, I'll insert clips here of him eating, being a big piggy when I was in triage because I got it on my phone. Look at this bitch ass eating. He bought himself food.
I bought you food too, motherfucker.
You know I can't eat, Licky.
I didn't know that.
Is it good, bitch? Fuck you. And also, he's over here saying he was gonna use like this, my IV arm, this as a blanket. And the freaking nurse, He got spoiled too with a warmed freaking blanket. Like what a brat. They give him a warm blanket. Oh, this lighting. But yeah, that's update for now. I'll update you guys later on. It is now 1:39 and they just started Pitocin to get my contractions going faster and closer so I can have this baby and I don't have to just lay here. But I'm getting more and more uncomfortable, and weaker. Like I'm trying to text and my hand cannot hold up my phone anymore. So I don't know. I'm trying to rest. He's snoring as usual, always comfortable. But yeah, I got a new nurse. The nurse I had, her shift is done. And then when the new nurse walked in, she was like, "You're gorgeous." Thanks. I don't know, this head thing keeps coming off, but yeah, I'm gonna try get some sleep, talk to the girls. Elia seen me, had 100 questions about why I'm laying down, what's on my head, what am I wearing, why am I not home, when are we gonna go home, where's Lily, when is she coming? But yeah, that's an update as of right now. When I try to rest, it says error in line. This was what's happening when I was in triage. Hi guys. So this is my epidural button and I'm gonna push it, and I think I over pushed it. I have to wait because I can feel my contractions. Like if I had to feel the pain of getting my epidural, I do not want to feel no contractions whatsoever. Oh, sorry, I was listening to her heartbeat. They had to fix that. You know the thing that listens to the heartbeat, they had to redo it because she's more low now, so they had to move it low. But a lot of pressure is happening. I can feel it. And Licky's over there snoring. They're making him comfortable, turning off lights for him. But yeah, I can't sleep. And my machine keeps beeping. But yeah, I can feel the pain. My lips are dry. I can feel the contractions. I'm feeling a contraction right now. Like it's not as bad as it was without the epidural, but I'm not supposed to feel it. That doesn't fucking help. Oh, and my button's not working. Oh, there we go. Now I can do it. It's lighting green. Oops, my bad. Okay, make me numb again.
Look, well,
Yeah, just
look.
look.
There's the baby. You see the hair?
Oh, she has hair. Just look.
Oh, she's a baby. I see the baby.
And I feel the pressure.
Yeah, it's right there. Okay. Don't push yet. I was gonna say.
It's coming. It's